India's Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has unveiled sweeping tax cuts under the Goods and Services Tax to boost consumption. The GST Council has slashed rates on more than 100 consumer items, ranging from soaps and shampoos to small cars, air conditioners and televisions. Now, the rate cuts will be implemented from September 22nd.
Man items such as hair oil, toilet soap bars, shampoos, toothbrushes, toothpaste, bicycles, tableware, kitchenware and other household articles have all come to 5. फिर reduction from 28 to 18%. इसमें मिडिल क्लास के एस्पिरेशंस मीट करने वाले बहुत सारे चीज़ हैं. एयर कंडीशनिंग machines, TVs which are over 32 inches, all TVs now at 18%. I want to underline, all TVs are now at 18%. Dishwashing machines, small cars, motorcycles equal to or less than 350 cc are all now coming to 18%.
Well, the GST structure has also been rationalized from 4 slabs to just 2, which is 5 and 18%. Now, this addresses long-standing criticism that India's indirect tax system was overly complex. Federal and state governments are estimated to lose around 48,000 crore rupees or $5.5 billion.
We would not call it as a revenue loss because that doesn't seem to be the correct terminology. But net revenue implication of this proposal is expected, we have estimated it to be around 48,000 crores.
Now, to balance the rate cuts, super luxury and sin goods such as high-end cars above 1500 cc, cigarettes and carbonated drinks will now face a 40% tax.
There is one special rate which is only for sin and super luxury goods. That special rate of 40% has also been proposed and it's cleared. That will apply only to pan masala, cigarettes, gutka, and other tobacco products such as chewing tobacco, products like zarda, unmanufactured tobacco, and BD.
The cuts align with Prime Minister Modi's call for a self-reliant India. Modi said the reforms will improve citizens' life and make doing business easier for traders and small firms.